How to use EMS on Cavitation Sonic. Clean your skin with the power off, plug everything in, and attach all your electrodes. Press your mode button to toggle through your Sonic, EMS, ColorLite, Vibra, Infrared, and Eon function. Here's the level key located on Sonic. Press it in order to toggle through the various levels of your functions. The EMS function key. Tap it to toggle through tap, massage, knead, scrape, and slim. Co-mode button. Tap it to toggle through your 4 co-modes of EMS and Vibra, ColorLite and Vibra, Sonic and Infrared, EMS and Infrared. EMS has 2 levels. Your electrodes hook easily up to your gloves. I like to use my whole body serum while using the EMS gloves and after using EMS. Here is the EMS on Sonic Cavitation at a level 1. Here it is at a 2. And now we're going to turn it all the way up to 5. Just kidding. Dr. Smiley actually says this. The EMS on Sonic is actually very gentle. The EMS on Sonic Cavitation is a very slight feeling. If you all are looking for something with more of a kick to it, you would probably enjoy something like this RF and EMS Skin Rejuvenator shown here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this amazing device. Electrical muscle stimulation stimulates the muscle and motor nerves. Microcurrent stimulates the brain to produce unconscious muscle movements to exercise muscles and tighten skin. Look at that. It's so strong. Look at my eye. Woo! Look how it's helping these bags. Next, skin rejuvenation for the body. Age 51. Wait, I'm 52. Week 1. I have to tell y'all, filming this was overwhelming.
The LED and the EMS mode. So see the side? I've got a tiny pouch there, y'all. I do.
Week 2.
Lower tummy pouch and stretch marks. Hysterectomy scars in here. It seems to have helped to fade them a bit.
Ultra pulses, which is EMS, LED, lights, and vibration.
I definitely can feel it. I definitely feel the electrical impulses, the microcurrent of it. A little bit of redness, tightening my skin. Love this device.
The MFIP Ultra Pulses and EMS tightens, and it helps with the nutrition absorption of the serum.
10 minutes is up.